Think you've mastered the art of driving? Hold on. There's a whole world of car secrets you've probably never heard of. From game-changing hidden features to expert tricks that can transform your driving experience, we're about to spill the beans. These aren't tips you'll find in your owner's manual, but they could save you time, money, and maybe even a headache or two. In this video, we'll unveil 19 car secrets that will make you see your car and your driving through a completely new lens. By the time you finish, you'll understand why these tips are essential for seasoned drivers who want to optimize performance, safety, and convenience. Stick with us as this countdown unfolds and the tips get even better. Secret number 19. Gas tank locator. You've probably found yourself at a gas station with a rental or a new car, unsure of which side the gas cap is on. This leads to awkward maneuvers, like backing up to switch lanes or struggling with a hose that's too short. Fortunately, there's a simple solution that's built right into your car, a fuel gauge with a tiny arrow or triangle next to the gas pump icon. This indicator shows you which side the gas cap is on. It's a small feature that's often overlooked but can save you time and hassle at the pump. Most modern vehicles include this helpful marker, which is especially useful when you're unfamiliar with a new vehicle. So, next time, take a quick glance at your dashboard before you pull up to refuel. Secret number 18. Road condition indicators. Modern cars are getting smarter, not only in how they perform but also in how they keep you safe. One such feature is the road condition indicator, designed to warn you of dangerous driving conditions, such as heavy rain, fog, or icy roads. Icy roads are particularly treacherous, as they can cause you to lose control of your car even at low speeds. To help mitigate this, many cars have a snowflake warning light that activates when the outside temperature dips low enough for the roads to freeze. This is controlled by a temperature sensor placed near the front bumper, which is less affected by the engine's heat, ensuring accurate readings. If you spot this warning, it's your car's way of reminding you to stay alert and adjust your driving to safer conditions. It's a small feature, but it's an important one, especially in the winter months. Secret number 17. Morning gas hack. Have you ever heard that filling up your gas tank in the morning is a smarter choice? While it might sound like an old myth, there's actually some truth to it. Gasoline expands when exposed to heat, and during the cooler hours of the morning, it's denser because the molecules are more tightly packed together. This means you're getting a little more fuel for your money compared to filling up during the heat of the day. Gas stations store fuel in underground tanks, which keeps it cool. However, as the day warms up, even small changes in temperature can cause the fuel to expand. While the difference is minimal over time, filling up at cooler hours could save you a little extra. If you drive frequently or fill up a large tank, you might want to consider refueling in the morning or during the late evening hours. Secret number 16. Side mirror defrosters. On cold mornings, it's easy for side mirrors to fog up or freeze, obstructing your view. Fortunately, modern cars often come equipped with a feature designed to clear your mirrors quickly: side mirror defrosters. To activate them, simply turn your side mirror adjustment switch all the way down, instead of turning it left or right for mirror adjustments. This action activates the defroster, which heats the mirrors and removes frost, fog, or condensation. It's a simple feature, often overlooked by even seasoned drivers, but it can significantly improve your visibility during rainy or wintry weather. By using this feature, you can save yourself from the hassle of wiping your mirrors by hand or waiting for them to clear on their own. Secret number 15. Starting the car with a dead remote. Many modern car remotes are equipped with two RFID systems, an active and a passive one. The active RFID, which is the one you use daily, relies on a battery to lock and unlock doors and open the trunk. But what happens if your remote's battery dies? Don't worry, your car isn't rendered useless. The passive RFID system doesn't require a battery. It gets power from the car's reader, typically located inside the start button. Simply hold the remote close to the button, within an inch, and you'll be able to start your car even when the remote battery is dead. This little-known trick can save you from panic and unnecessary stress, especially in situations where a dead battery might otherwise leave you stranded. Secret number 14. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, is a lifesaver when it comes to road safety. Since 2007, these systems have become mandatory in vehicles due to the potential dangers posed by underinflated tires. TPMS alerts you when a tire is losing pressure, often with a dashboard light shaped like a tire with an exclamation mark inside. When this light appears, it's time to check your tires. Some TPMS systems go a step further, showing the exact pressure of each tire on your dashboard. Proper tire pressure not only ensures your safety, but also improves fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, meaning your car has to work harder to move and burns more fuel. So, keeping your tires properly inflated isn't just a safety issue, it's also a way to save money at the pump. Secret number 13. Blind spot monitoring. When changing lanes on a busy highway, even with perfectly adjusted mirrors, blind spots can still exist. That's where the blind spot monitoring system comes in. Using radar or sensors, these systems detect vehicles in your blind spot and alert you, usually with a warning light on your side mirror or dashboard. Some systems go further by emitting an audible warning when you activate your turn signal while a vehicle is in your blind spot. This technology dramatically reduces the risk of side collisions and helps you navigate highway driving with more confidence. Blind spot monitoring is a game changer for drivers who want to stay alert and safe on the road. Secret number 12. Adaptive cruise control. Cruise control has long been a convenient tool for highway driving, but adaptive cruise control, ACC, takes it to a whole new level. Unlike traditional cruise control, which simply maintains your speed, ACC uses sensors to detect slower vehicles ahead and automatically adjust your speed to maintain a safe distance. Some systems even handle stop-and-go traffic, slowing your vehicle to a stop when traffic halts, then resuming once traffic clears. This feature reduces the stress of long drives, allowing for a smoother, more relaxing experience. It's like having an extra hand managing your speed, providing peace of mind, especially on long stretches of highway. Secret number 11. Check engine light signal. The dreaded check engine light can send drivers into panic mode. But did you know that some issues are easy to fix yourself? One of the most common and simple reasons for the check engine light to come on is a loose gas cap. Before heading to the mechanic, check if the gas cap is securely tightened and in good condition. This simple fix might save you a trip to the shop. However, the check engine light can also indicate more serious problems, such as faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or oxygen sensors. If the car feels fine, start by checking the gas cap. If the light stays on and you notice performance issues, it's time to take your car in for a professional diagnosis. Secret number 10. Motion parallax. Ever noticed how objects outside your car seem to move differently as you drive? This phenomenon, called motion parallax, helps you gauge distances and speeds while driving. As you move forward, nearby objects like trees or poles seem to zoom past in the opposite direction. In contrast, distant objects, such as mountains, seem almost still. The same applies to celestial objects like the moon. It always appears to follow you while you drive, but in reality, its vast distance makes it seem like it's stationary. Motion parallax is an optical trick that can make driving a dynamic experience, helping you judge speeds and distances more intuitively. The next time you're on the road, take a moment to observe how the world moves around you. Secret number 9. Smartphone interaction with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Your smartphone can become a powerful driving tool when integrated with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. These systems allow you to control your phone from your car's dashboard, making it easier and safer to stay connected while driving. You can access maps, stream music, and even make calls or send messages, all through voice commands. These systems block apps that aren't useful while driving, such as games or videos, ensuring that you remain focused on the road. By providing you with all the essentials at your fingertips, CarPlay and Android Auto make your driving experience both safer and more enjoyable. Secret number 8. Seatbelt safety features. We all know seatbelts save lives, but did you know that modern seatbelts are equipped with advanced safety features? These include energy management loops, which absorb impact forces to reduce injuries, and pretensioners, which remove slack to ensure the seatbelt is snug during a crash. Force limiters reduce the pressure on your chest during an impact, and for rear passengers, inflatable safety belts provide added protection. Adjustable upper anchors ensure the belt sits across your chest rather than your neck. The inertial locking mechanism keeps the belt firmly in place during sudden stops. These features work together to maximize protection, making seatbelts not just a legal requirement but a vital safety device. Secret number 7. Hidden storage. Cars come with hidden compartments that most drivers don't even know about. These secret storage spaces can be a lifesaver for keeping valuables safe and organized. For instance, the Dodge Journey has a hidden compartment beneath the passenger seat, and the Land Rover Discovery has a secret compartment behind the climate control panel. These clever designs maximize space without compromising functionality. But beware, it's easy to forget about these compartments if you don't use them regularly. Remember where you've stored your belongings so you don't forget about them. Secret number 6. Adjustable headrests. Adjustable headrests are more than just a comfort feature. They play a crucial role in protecting your neck and spine during a rear-end collision. The headrest should be positioned so that the top aligns with the top of your head for maximum protection. But did you know that in emergencies, headrests can also be used to break a window and escape? Most headrests can be removed, and the metal rods can shatter a side window, offering a quick exit when every second counts. This small feature can make a life-saving difference in critical situations. Secret number 5. Anti-stall. Many newer manual transmission cars are equipped with anti-stall technology. Traditionally, when pulling away from a stop, you had to carefully balance the clutch and gas to prevent stalling, but with anti-stall, your car handles this for you. When you release the clutch at a steady pace, the system applies a small amount of throttle, helping you pull away smoothly. This is especially useful on hills, where stalling is more common. It's a hidden gem that makes driving manuals easier and more enjoyable. Secret number 4. Heads-up display, HUD. Inspired by fighter jets, heads-up displays project critical information directly onto your windshield, making it easier to stay focused on the road. HUDs show your speed, navigation directions, and even the speed limit of the road you're on. Some systems display media info or caller ID as well. With this feature, you don't need to look down at your dashboard or grab your phone. It's all right in front of you, reducing distractions and helping you stay alert and safe. Secret number 3. Backseat reminders. Backseat reminders are a safety feature that prevents heart-wrenching accidents, like leaving a child or pet in the backseat. If a rear door is opened before or after you start the engine, the system will trigger a reminder to check the backseat when you turn off the car. This simple but effective feature is designed to keep everyone safe, whether it's a sleeping child, a pet, or even your belongings. Secret number 2. Conversation mirror. A conversation mirror is a smart feature found in many family-friendly cars, especially minivans and crossovers. This small, convex mirror allows you to keep an eye on your back seats without having to turn around. It's a great tool for parents who need to monitor children without losing focus on the road. Some cars, like the Honda Odyssey, offer an upgrade called Cabin Watch, which uses a camera to display a live view of the back seats on your dashboard screen. Secret number 1. Stability control. Losing control of your car is one of the scariest experiences on the road. Thankfully, electronic stability control, ESC, is now standard in all cars sold in the US. ESC monitors all 4 wheels and applies brakes to specific wheels if it detects that the car is losing traction. This system helps correct skidding and prevents you from losing control in slippery conditions. For everyday driving, it's best to leave ESC on, but you can turn it off temporarily when stuck in mud or snow. ESC is a crucial safety feature that can help save your life when the road conditions get tricky. Now you know the secrets. Drive smarter, safer, and more confidently with these tips. And if you want to dive deeper into protecting your car and wallet, be sure to check out our next video on driving habits that ruin your engine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing tips. See you next time. This rewrite incorporates scientific explanations and makes the tips sound engaging, relatable, and research-backed.